Did you ever wanted to play any musical instrument, but due to some reason you couldn't? Now what if I say you can fulfill your that you wish now? Yes, you heard it correctly. You can now play them without actually owning them and without spending any penny from your pocket. All you need is a laptop or any of the computer system. Now I am not exactly sure what it is. Is it actually a piano or some sort of a drum kit? But believe me, it's really fun playing this. And when you hit the corresponding key on your laptop, it's gonna play you a melodious tone. Let me show you this with playing. Now if at any point you feel like you want to change the music of any of the associated key, then all you need is to change the name of the song associated with that key inside your code. And now if I play this again, here we go. We now have our own music system.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is.
Now if you do want to see more animatory and amazing JavaScript effects, then stay connected with this channel.